Hey guys, Zizzo here. Today I'm going to introduce you to my Triumph Speed 400. So right off the bat you may notice something quite different. I've ditched the stock handlebars. We've got a pair of clip-ons from Woodcraft. These are 51 millimeter. In the rear here we've got the Brouge Motorcycles tail tidy kit. Love it. Got rid of the whale tail. This bike is loaded with features. It's got ABS features on it. It's also got shift indicators. The bike has so much style. It's just oozing with like opportunity in terms of modification. Let's have a look around. Tell me what you think in the comments.